S10 unboxing video showcase. We can see in the video that this is the overall packaging style of our S10. Upon opening the packaging box, there is an additional layer of protective foam covering the top. After opening, you can see our S10 main unit. S10 features a 10.1-inch high-definition display. Its high aesthetics and performance make it very popular. The rear and body interfaces are very comprehensive. At the back of the main unit is the installation bracket for installation and use. On top, there are notes and installation directions imprinted. Finally, we have the installation base box that is needed for installation. There are also matching screws included. The overall packaging background is simple and neat.